Is your Opera GX Adblock or uBlock origin not working properly? In this quick video, I will show you two simple methods to set up Opera GX Adblocker and also the uBlock origin correctly. So make sure you don't miss any step. Open up Opera GX and navigate to the settings in the left bar. Now in the left menu, we want to go to Privacy and Security. At this page, first make sure you have turned this toggle on over the privacy protection page. The first option is block ads and serve the web to 3 times faster. That's fine. Turn it on. Now turn on the second option that says block trackers. In the next step, just go ahead, click on manage extension and make sure all of the extension here are up to date. You can add and remove your required one. Now in the next step, just go to manage list and here make sure easy list and the no coin list is turned on. Then make sure to click on update to update your settings. To make sure Adblock is working perfectly for your required site, just visit the website and click on the shield icon. Here, if you are seeing turn on Adblocker and tracker for this site, go ahead and click on turn on for this site. Now Adblocker is turned on here. If still you are having trouble and ads are not getting blocked, go back to the setting page, then go to manage exception and make sure you haven't added that specific site here so that ad could block correctly. In the next step, we want to go to extension and we want to confirm that we don't have any other ad block here because conflict always break extensions. Now here you could see that I only have enabled Opera Adblocker and there are no other ad blocker enabled here. Now in the next step, let's go again to privacy and security. Scroll a little down. Here we want to delete history, cookies and cache. Go ahead and clear this according to your requirement. Once you are done with all these steps, we want to go back to this bar and here we want to go to update and recovery and we just want to make sure our Opera GX is up to date. Till now, I have enabled Opera GX default ad blocker and it's working perfectly for me. Let's say if still you are having problem with ad blocking on any website, let's go and set up uBlock origin. Go to uBlock origin page and here you will see get uBlock origin. uBlock origin was removed for Google Chrome, but in Opera GX it's still working perfectly. Now let's go ahead and get uBlock origin. Add to Opera. Perfect. Now uBlock origin is also installed in my Opera GX browser. Now at this point, let's go back to the extension page and here we want to manage extension. We want to turn off Opera Adblocker because if you use both ad blocker at once, this could make a problem for you and it will not block ads properly. Now here you see I have disabled Opera Adblocker, the default ad blocker, and I have enabled uBlock origin by GoreHelp. So that's it about today's quick video. I hope you like this simple and to the point video. Don't forget to subscribe ITeePK and I will see you in the next one.